Hey guys, alright, it's Andrew for the first part of this FLIR tutorial. In order to cut it short, I'm going to have to break this one up and do a couple of different videos in order to be able to upload it to YouTube. So, first one is making sure you've got the right app. So go to your app store, that's the blue icon here in the bottom right, next to Photos and Settings. Tap on the App Store. In the App Store, search for FLIR TOOLS, FLIR Tools. And that's going to bring you up to this very first one in the upper left here that says Open for me, FLIR Tools. It's got a picture of a camera lens and the thermal images. You want to download and install that to the iPad. Alright, once you've done that and the FLIR Tools is installed, you'll click on the FLIR Tools and load it up. And you'll see in the upper right corner here under battery percentage, you'll see the gear for settings. You'll want to click into settings. The only thing you're going to mess with in here is three items: the temperature unit, the distance unit under units, and the report settings under report. You'll want to change the temperature units obviously to Fahrenheit, and you'll just tap on the distance unit to get it all from meter to feet, as these were made in Sweden, so they are not on our system. So make sure you're on Fahrenheit and feet under units. And then in report settings, you're going to see header text, footer text, and logo. Header text and footer text, obviously what goes on the top of the report page and on the bottom of the same report page. Definitely change those texts to read under header, thermal image reporting. And under footer text, make sure it's top build home services. As part of the email I'm sending out, attaching the photo image for Top Build Home Services logo. Make sure you save that on your iPad through the email. It'll store into Photos, and if you tap the Use Custom Logo button, if you switch it off from FLIR to that, you'll get to select the Top Build Home Services logo from your photos, and it should populate under default logo. It'll switch from FLIR to Top Build like that. That'll make sure your reports all initially work properly. So download the FLIR Tools app, go into the report, again go into the gear in the upper right corner, change your distances, your units to feet and Fahrenheit, and change those report settings for your header, footer, and logo. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to be able to get on this particular recording.